Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the speaker off and removing all cables. This prevents shorts and preserves settings. Once done, flip the unit and remove the rubber base to expose screws. Use a Torx T6 for the external screws and keep each screw in a labeled tray. Make sure to use a plastic pry tool to separate panels slowly. This avoids cracked clips. You will notice adhesive along seams. Work gradually, check for hidden screws, and keep track of the battery connector orientation. You now expose the internal module and locate the battery. Disconnect the battery connector by pulling the tab, not the wires, because you want to avoid tearing the lead. Once disconnected, peel back adhesive tabs or heat the adhesive slightly to release the pack. Do not bend or puncture the battery. As you lift the old battery, observe and photograph cable routing so reconnection is exact. If any connectors feel stuck, wiggle gently while applying even pressure. Avoid metal tools near terminals. You place the new battery into the bay following the photos and notes you took. Align the connector and press it until it clicks. Correct polarity is essential. Once connected, reseat any ribbons, close the housing and reinstall screws evenly to avoid warping the case. Power the speaker on and plug into the charger. Charge to 100% as a calibration step. If it does not power or show charging, make sure the connector is fully seated, try a different charger, and recheck for pinched cables before reopening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.